What is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs or instructions that is used to access and modify this data. So here, a user makes a request, the database management system accesses the database to retrieve the target data, and the user gets a response. So the database management system acts as an interface between the user and then the database. You can see that it is bi-directional. Good. So what's inside this database then? So inside this database, we can have things like figures, we can have raw data, we can have values, we can have statistics, and then we can also have facts. So based on what you are dealing with, you can have a whole lot of information or data in this database. So we are looking at the components. We have the data item, relationships, constraints, and then the schema. So all these are found inside the database. Now, when we talk about the relationship, it is what exists between two data items. The constraints are the rules on the data items, and then the schema is the overall structure of the database. Now, let's better understand this. We have our data items to be students and then the course, or let's say our entities. Now, a student has a student ID, a student have student name, and then the student also have date of birth. Good. Let's come to our entity course or our data item course. Now, a course, we have the course ID, we have the let's put the O there. Good. We have the course ID, we have the course name, and then we also have the credit hours. Good. So what is the relationship between these two data items? Now, the relationship is that a student is enrolled in a course. Now, when we talk about cardinality, you can say that many students can be enrolled in many courses. Now, the student ID here is a primary key, and the course ID here is also a primary key. This student ID tells us that no two students should have the same student ID. So that is the constraint that we are talking about.